I think our success in Utah has come from being engaged in the community. And so it's been really important for us as a company to give back to the community. So we give a lot to schools. We give a lot to Utah foster care. That's been really important in our story and our growth is like we've just felt so much support just by people buying our product here and sharing about our product. I really think it is this like cycle. We've grown, had community support that like we want to support the community. And like it's just been this like snowball effect. And I think that's attributes to our success.